For this meditation, we are going to focus on how to manifest the business you want and deserve. Take a moment to disconnect from the world around you. We're all so busy, especially when people depend on us. But you need to make sure you are the most grounded version of yourself first, before you can best serve others. So find a comfortable place sitting on the floor, on a yoga mat or pillow, or lying down on a mat or in a bed. Make sure there are no distractions. We want to direct all of our energy within. Now I want you to take some big, deep breaths. In through your nose and out through your mouth, just like a lion's roar. We'll take a few cycles here, in for 4 and out for 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting from the top of your head, scan down your body and release any tension you may be holding on to. Relax your eyes, your jaw, neck, shoulders, chest, fingers, legs, feet, toes. Now, I want you to think about your passions in this life. What gets you excited to wake up in the morning? Why did you start your business? Was it to help people? To change the world? To change something within yourself? It may be all of these. With your answers in mind, what other things do you want to add to your life and business? I'm going to be silent for a few moments. During this time, continue to think about how you will feel when the things you want to bring into your life are here. Remember, no matter where you came from or where you are going, you are doing what you were meant to do. You are who you are meant to be, and everything you've ever dreamed of is yours for the taking. Remember that the universe serves you like you serve your clients and customers. Slowly open your eyes and start to feel yourself grounded on the earth again. Start to move your fingers and toes, your neck. Maybe move your neck back and forth and roll your wrists.
This is the end of this session. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this type of content. If you need more help on your law of attraction journey, please check my website for coaching. You can also get my short, straight to the point ebook on how to manifest for any level. Thank you for listening, and see you very soon.